Hello everyone, and welcome back to Alteryx Tutorials. I am Mark Thompson. Today's session is going to be a short one. We're going to be doing weekly challenge number 241, and the idea on this is to create a workflow that counts how many Friday the 13th there are in every year since 1900. And answer the question, is it possible to have a year without a Friday the 13th? Let's go ahead and jump on in. Pretty simple. In this one, we don't have a start file. So we're going to take and we're going to use a generate rows tool. And we're going to do this. We're going to list out every single day from January 1st, 1900, all the way through when this challenge was created, which was April 1st of 2021. And when we're done, we're going to have a list of everything. So we start up here, and we're going to create a new field, and we can give it whatever name. We call it date. We're going to initialize our expression. That says, when do you want, what is the value that starts this thing out? And that is 1900, January 1st. What's the condition that has to be met for the loop, for the generate rows to stop generating rows? And that is the date has to be less than or equal to this date here, this April 1st, 2021. Now, what does our loop expression look like? Date time add date, and we're going to increment one day, and we're going to be calling it days. Sorry for that popping out there. From there, we get a list of 44,286 records, and that is every day from January 1 all the way through April 1st, 2021. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take and toss some formulas on this. And as you see here, we're going to put a formula for a day, a weekday, and a year. So what we've got here, we're calling it day, and that is the date time day. And we put in the date field. And what that returns is what day of the month is that? So we can find our Friday the 13th. Next, we're going to say, what day of the week is that? And we're going to do it in two pieces. We're going to do it here, and we're going to say date time parse. And we're going to go year, month, day. And then we're going to get the format, and we're going to want to say %A. And that will give you a fully spelled out day of the week. Next, and this is simple, date time year. All we do is stick in the date, and it gives us our year. Easy enough. Now we put on a filter. Our filter says, hey, when the day equals 13 and when the weekday equals Friday, bring back the results. At this point, we now have 209 records. What we want to do here next is summarize. And we're going to simply group by year and count how many days. And what you see here is 1900 all the way through 2020. And notice that there are 121 records since 1900, which means we're missing 0 records. And I could go and do some mathematics that would prove it out. But the point is, you do not have, and it's not possible to have a year without a Friday the 13th. There you have it on our browse, in order and the count. The highest count, by the way, and this is just trivia for you, you can never have more than 3 Friday the 13ths in any given year. All right, this has been Alteryx Tutorials. I'm Mark Thompson. Of course, like always, hit like, hit share, and we always welcome your comments. Tell your friends and neighbors about us. Hope to see you next time. Till then.